Wanna ride with me, catch a vibe with me, go get out with me, yeah. Shawty, I'm a riding G, I'm a dying piece, I'm a ride.
What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a brand new video. Nova Guy here, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix your in-game freezing glitch in Rainbow Six Siege. So it's actually a fairly simple thing to do. So for me, I've been lately getting like, you know, in-game, your game, like you play 1 or 2 games where your frames and everything are just perfect, and then all of a sudden out of nowhere, like you just start freezing, like your FPS you'll drop to 1, your ping will go to like 400, and you'll just sit there and you'll freeze on spot mid-game for like 10 seconds at a time. And that is fucking annoying. I know, because it's done it for me for so long, but I finally figured out how to fix it, and I've, ever since I've done this, and you're going to be like how simple the fix is. Like, and it hasn't done it for me for months. So it's pretty simple. So all you want to do is just go onto your top right of your screen, go settings, options, go over to HUD, and if you come down a little bit, general, I said that wrong, HUD's the next step, general, you'll see display performance metrics. So this is what the issue was for me. I don't know if it's going to be any different for everyone else, but this is what really helped me, and it fixed it for some unknown reason. But when I was running my display performance metrics, I was freezing constantly, and then the second I turned them off completely, there was just no more freezing at all. Haven't froze for months, not once. Frames perfect, everything. So you just go in, find display performance metrics, and just switch it to off. So some people might have it on minimal or advanced metrics. See, I had it on minimal, and even minimal was doing it for me. It was making me freeze. So you want to have that on. I have that off. You can leave your ping on. That hasn't affected anything. So, and also if you go over in HUD, make sure your compass appearance is on simplified. And for me, I also had where is it? Team outlines helped a little bit with FPS. So you just scroll down, you should see your team outlines, and you can turn that off. And then for display settings, if you guys are just looking for any display settings, so this is just what I have. I just play on my normal 1920 by 1080 full screen, 165 Hz. I play on 5.4 and all that stuff. And also another thing that actually screws with the FPS a lot, that I'll throw in the video here, is FPS limit. So you can only cap your FPS at 144. And when you do that, it actually, for some reason for me, it strained the game so much more. And another thing to do, if you guys want to limit your FPS usage, like your CPU usage, you can turn your HUD display area down to like 50%, 60%, and that will help a little bit. But yeah guys, that is pretty much it. That is a simple fix. Just go into HUD, like I said, so settings, options, general, and it's just display performance metrics. You just turn that off and your game should be perfectly fine. I hope this video helped. I hope it did work for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you can keep up with all the updates that I have towards Rainbow Six Siege and all my other videos that are coming out. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.